Hi everyone. Good afternoon. No. Good afternoon.
It's 1:19.
Hello.
Hello
Where are you going?
to Stephen Hill.
Stephen Stephen Field.
Stephen Field
To hunt deer and bison. Including moose.
Oh, wow.
Most.
What did you
Most.
Okay, what did you bring?
I brought with me some stuff. Food,
Food?
clothes, blanket,
Wow.
and swimsuit.
Prepared. Ano lang yan? 3 days and 2
My goodness.
Turn left and light left.
They named the field after Stephen.
Alam ba na yung magandang permit tayo? Permit.
Parmy.
Yan ba yung office nila? Oh. Okay, we're here.
We're here and it's Father's Day celebration.
This is the beach. No pets allowed.
River nga dito eh.
Ande, anong river to?
Red River.
Is that the yard? I don't know. Yard ditong side na yun. No, camping site na yun eh. Like yung mga RV. Are you gonna swim?
I don't know. If it is cold, I don't. I don't like to swim. It seems like the water is very cool.
Meron namang life vest.
Yeah.
Hello! Ayan, this is our yurt for 2 nights. Ayan, let's do tour sa ating yurt. Ayan, andito tayo sa Stephen Field Provincial Park. And ayan yung bench natin for later. And we can do our bonfire. O, di ba, Daddy? O, kidutan, bonfire, and that's our yurt. Ayan, pwede mong i-open yung yung side. Who's in there? It's Moses.
This is
And then, ayan yung wagon ninyo to bring all your stuff because you can't park here. And then, let's go inside. Okay, ayan yung mga pagkain natin for today and our chef. Stunning view. Very nice. It's a little bit windy today, but still, it's a perfect day. Okay, let's come into our 2 nights stay here at the yurt. This is our house for 2 nights. Look, we can look at the stars while we're sleeping. Ayan, itur mo na sila, girl.
No,
And that's our pantry for today.
Look at our pantry. Kompleto yan.
Left.
Okay, so we have
And
entrance. This is the entrance.
Yes.
Coat rack. Whatever, kung ano mang gusto mong isabi. Of course, safety is fire extinguisher. And then, oh, Moses!
Oh, they
Your
have
best
a
friend.
Mosquito.
Okay, let's just
Oh,
put
look at this basketball. Oh
Oh,
yeah.
what's that? Okay.
Huh?
And we have the lights.
Yes, you can.
This is just the lights.
Oh, nice.
And then that's
Okay, this is our couch here.
couch.
Okay, tama na, girl. And then do the rest, and I'm gonna rest.
Okay,
And that's
the
our-
bags. And then that's the first bed.
We have a bunk bed.
Bed. And then our bed. And then we have a cabinet. We have water. My water. And then we have cabinet with sino ka dyan? Pandesal and Spanish bread, snack, tissue, paper plates, mugs. Wala nang naman yan. Yeah, wala nang naman. And then, may electric fan, may lamp. Ano pa ba? Oh! Our dining table is right here. So, this is the dining table. It's not allowed to cook inside. So, doon lang, kakain lang dito sa loob. Yan. And then, this is our yurt. Hindi na siya mainit, no?
Yes, it's nice.
Hindi, nalukatan dyan.
It's nice and open.
Yeah, so that's the mirror. Hello!
Magsiset up na kami ng aming bonfire for
Not afraid
the
of
night.
anything. Not afraid of being burnt.
Oh, ayan,
Our
Daddy,
hero.
oh. And Moses, so what do you think about our bonfire? Bonfire. Oh, look!
Let's put
Nice.
the ants in there.
What?
Let's put the... It's a bird. Kill it.
Ayan, nakakuha si Daddy
That's
ng free, kahoy. But, of course, we bought this. It's $10, one bundle. And here's our beautiful yurt to sleep for tonight. And look at the view. It's already 8:35. And the sun is still out there. Oh, Daddy.
Yeah,
First time, what are you guys doing?
we are roasting
Marshmallows.
marshmallow.
Okay, ayan.
Marshmallow.
First time mo, Daddy?
Yeah. My first time to kidot marshmallow.
Second day of hiking.
Oh,
Moses, are you ready
no.
for another hike?
Tired.
Oh, si Kamay, Daddy, ready ka la?
Ready.
Oh, ready ko la.
1% ready.
Okay, let's go. Yan. 4.2 kilometers walk. It's a nice, beautiful day. And time check, Daddy?
Time check is 9:35.
Time check 9:35. Tanager Trail. Okay, guys, let's go. Tanager Trail. Okay. Ayan na, nag-start na tayong mag-walk into the woods. Huh? Yes. Of course, I'm on my full gear. Look at my shoes. And there's the gang. Ayan yung pupuntahan natin for today. Okay. This is the Crocs gang. Into the woods. No one is here. Wala pa tayong nakikitang deer. Deer and bear. Mayat ba, Daddy? Piyan mo ito sa bungatan.
Ruot girl, game sab bumot kayam.
Oh, no, iisak
Come
mo.
on, mosquitoes on us.
Iisak mo tok mo itan. Di mayat niya, Daddy.
Baka mampipingil era manmula.
Siyahal man mo.
Siya flower siya mayat.
Oh,
Ruot ngam sab sabong gayam.
oh, di ba? Oh, mayat sita likod mo, oh. Tamaw to lake.
Dati ko Stephen Field Lake.
Oh, yes.
Napan ijay Hudson Bay, US.
Hudson Bay, matkat Canada, Daddy. Mayat nga talaga.
Nano asidig ko mo dito ita ipasyar amin ti tagat pa.
Taga
Kulba.
Kulba, oh. Mga taga Kulba dyan. Ready na ba kayong mag-hike? Oh.
Nay.
Oh, di ba dadi may ita view misitan oh.
That curd. Okay. Wow.
Hmm.
Ah, hi. Hello, Philippines.
Ayya.
Mga mare at kumare, kumpadre. Hello.
Hmm.
Good evening there in the Philippines. It's morning here in Canada.
Ayya.
We are in Stephenfield.
Provincial
Park.
Park. Yes. Nice view while we are doing our hiking. Oh, ano yan? While we are hiking, we saw a field here. Baka mulaan dati mais, kan tarong, kan mangga. We finally reached the farm. Oh, ni. Adantiin mula daw. Di ba? They already planted some.
Oh, dahito iti farm ko. Paimulak lang.
Mm.
Maisan.
Okay, there's a trap here. You have to watch out. Go. Sige. One at a time. This is the fun part of hiking. Lakad muna tayo and I think we're getting closer. Nya, Nicole? Woo! Okay, so we're getting closer. Oh, nice fresh air. My goodness. I love it. Oh. Yan, yung view natin while hiking. Alright.
Sprinkler.
Win para si Bugda.
Ibog bigay. Highly mechanized farming ganito.
Highly mechanicalized. Baka patatas. When it looks like potatoes. Oh, yan yung mga trees. Looks like a pine tree. Nice fresh air. Nabdi kalaada di or ay si. Singan mayat niya ag kamay di ngatan plata. Santo singa na afil view to o siya singa na cool breeze.
Cool, and then the trees is very thick.
Yes, around here. Look at that! Who is hungry?
Always hungry.
Hey, what you mean always hungry?
I'm hungry. Whenever we're there, we were just like, oh.
You want the marshmallow and the biscuit?
No.
Biscuit?
Moses, don't squeeze the biscuit. And then Moses says, what did you say? Huh? Biscuit?
Mama, we call that biscuit.
We're gonna, from now on, we're gonna call it
Ano gusto mo eh?
Biscuit.
Mama, squeeze na nga kasi ako na nga, Mama, don't squeeze the biscuit.
Look what we found. It's a wild rose. Pretty. Pink. Smells so good.
On the other side of the lake is the camp site
Yes. Camping site too.
where campers usually go there.
That's right.
You can see the tent there.
Right on.
The yard. by and by they will come out from their yacht and start swimming.
Oh, yes.
But now it's still cool, so you can see people,
Water.
swimming. And it seems today, since it is a weekday, most of the people are in their work, so there are few people here in the park. But on weekends, a lot of people, just like yesterday.
It gets
Ang daming
busy.
tago, ang daming too. But today, it's very quiet.
Not too busy.
Most of the campers went home last night. We hope someday we will be back again
Oh, yes.
if God permits.
So, Daddy, we finished the trail. Nga, anong oras na? Time
It's
check.
already 10 to 11 in the morning.
So, 10:50. So, from 9:25, 9:30 to 10:30. So,
to 11, almost.
an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Oh. So, we have an hour and a
of
half.
trekking.
That's
And
right.
that is 4 point something kilometer.
I think it's 4.2.
4.2 kilometers.
So, nabayag ta, nagpick pictures,
Yeah.
and
Enjoyed trekking along the way.
yes.
Viewing, taking pictures, dissecting the different flora,
That's
but
right.
we didn't see fauna.
Oh, ayan.
Oh, dito na tayo kahapon.
Fishing boat.
Dito tayo nag kung fu.
Yes. Kahapon, we did, ano,
Kung fu master. Oh, they are taking pictures.
picture taking for everyone. Okay, let's have a break. Intayo mang kitaan no, sino jay nakatugaw ijay aya. Ni adan samat te urayan na ijay. Oh, nabanog kanut itumang na.
Nagmati more than 4 kilometers.
Oh, yes.
Pinagnami lang ti more than 1 hour.
Oh, because we are the hikers.
Inanabasit ito gaw nga in loving memory of Kasia Badyu.
Oh, daytoy ti view ni Daddy habang nakatugaw itoy. Oh.
Perfect.
Perfect niya, Daddy. Nina siya very windy.
Yeah,
Today is a calm
quite,
day. Oh, after hiking, sino ngayon dyan naka-rest dyan? Agress ka pa ita.
Indayon pa man tan napanog na. Hay.
Nabanog, nga nagna, taag indayon pa kano. You push, Grandpa Moses.
Not that, but I
Oh,
will get busy.
oh, Daddy, kadaan tayo nga ida.
At nakasangkot tayo manan dito York tayo na nagpamanan nya manan ti next ngayon. Tine
Next.
nakasangkot tayo matanan.
Yes.
Can I have the car keys to get the badminton? Nicole's coming with me.
Okay, the keys is there in the drawer.
The keys are in the...
Drawer. Yeah, nakasangkot tayo
Yeah, you go grab it. Oh, anto nga eh. That's
That's tayo manan
our yacht, and then we will go for another hike later and a bonfire.
And
Tomorrow
morning at 11 break up camp.
we are going to
Bomb.
find maybe find another campsite or
Another
whatever.
place to visit.
When
Nalakang ipoditan.
oh, there you go.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, naka-ready na. Daddy, ang ano natin, mamaya, yung pang bonfire, ayan. Ag-ag sa pa. Kunamno, anya jay ngalaw-ngaw ni Daddy Gam, napanag, kayo ni. Libre man ang jay pang bonfire mi, no rabi eh. So, anong niluluto natin for today? Oh, chicken. And Nicole is making salad. Wow, look at that. Good. And that's our view. Lunch time. Ayan, meron tayong watermelon. We have our salad here. And of course, who wants to eat rice and chicken? Ayan. And then after this, we'll go for a walk and badminton. Kumusta ka naman dyan, girl?
I'm tired.
You're tired, but we are still going for our last hiking for the day.
I know.
I think you're over enjoying your view there.
Yeah, the wind. The wind is winding.
The wind is winding. Yeah. That is another yurt. It's wheelchair and stroller friendly. There, this is our neighbor yurt. See? Meron silang ramp. So everybody can come here. This is, let's just take a quick tour since nobody is here. So this is how it looks like. This they have balcony because it's a wheelchair and stroller accessible. There, yan siya. Very nice too. And there's another yurt there. Yeah, nice view. So I highly recommend it here. Okay, let's go to Bobolink Trail this time. Bobolink Trail. Ayan, iba naman ang style dito, gravel. Pababa. Ayan yung swamp. Swamp lake. Concerned ka sa mga geese. Ayaw mo yung swamp na ganyan. Oh. Meron siyang konting bridge. Faster! I-exercise mo ang kinain mong calories. Yan, Daddy. I-exercise mo ito calories nga kinan mo ni kay. Correct. With a big check. Oh, so yung time check pala natin kanina before we walk is 1:40. And now, anya orasan nga Dad?
Already 2:05.
2:05. So, for 25 minutes. Plus, may mga stopover, of course.
My golly.
Oh,
Wow.
look at this. Empty. Empty farmland. Oh, ayan yung cornfield. Hey,
My gosh.
empty. No, it's a cornfield pero ano wala pang corn.
Yeah,
Maybe ready by August.
Maybe it's only more than, or not even a month.
Over there. Oh,
Ito sa kabilang
that's the dam. Spillway. We're getting closer. Ayan. Andito na tayo sa may ano to, parang spillway. Ayun. Over there. The water is in there. Ayan yung ano, Stephenfield Lake. And then the water goes down there. Ayan.
Younger.
And then look.
No,
Oh, ayan.
it's the kangaroo. It's kangaroos.
Look at this little trees. It's like a different variety. Ayan siya. Parang they're white. It's like it's dry, but it's not. That's the way. Ay, manipis siya. Look. Ayan. Halfway na tayo and we're done with our Bobo Link Trail. Naksyang dadadi Bobo Link Trail. So, ngunti oras nga dadadi?
It's already 2:40.
2:40 from 1:30, daddy? So, it's like more than an hour. It's a good blessing. It's raining after we finish our last trail. So, congratulations to us. It's raining.
Completion.
Yeah, it's raining and it's our completion because we finished 4 trails. Oh. Yeah, daddy.
Huh?
Congratulations, you finished 4 trails.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good job.
Job well done.
Oh, job well done daw. Yes, you had a job well done.
We passed our
Test.
test with flying colors.
Ayo. Finally, we are back to our yurt. Oh, Nicole, kumusta?
My dapan is hurting.
On our way back home to our yurt. Stay cool, Moses. Okay, ngayon naman, nag-set up tayo ng badminton net. And it's, ayan, whoa! Look at that. Go, Nicole!
Dinner is eggplant. And of course, porky. Daddy.
Porky. Kindut.
Okay, we're leaving.
Let's lock the door.
How was it?
It was fun. Maybe next time it's nice to come here again.
Winter time. Oh, ready ni Daddy. Daddy, ready kan?
Oh, okay man.
Ready? Ready day ta ko mon? When?
Ay, dati truck ko.
Oh,
Hey,
nag-adumat ta ng leta bit-bit mo Daddy.
ngarod. Ato sabi.
Ay sos.
Dogan ko tiwe. Waikon.
Oh, we. Nya ba dita karga ti kwam?
Ato, tito lakok.
Ay sos.
Na, nadagsan dati lakok. Walang kayo man. Paryayo, kamates. Bagoong yun man dita.
Tayo, Jay. Tanda man nila ako.
Ipantayawan na idya ko ah. Kiwang. Adote guwatang idya eh. Idya bakong. Idanon idya bakong. Nay, napigsa dito ko.
Oh, ano nga eh.
Mayat. Nadagsan dati ako ang palang gimat gatang.
Nya ba talakom?
Nag-ado, parya, kamatis, bagoong,
Ay sos.
okra.
Pinakbat mo na. Pinakbat kayo.
Vegetarian dito eh.
Paawid tatang agsapa. Ni 2 days, 2 nights mi ditoy na nag-trekking di upat nga trails. We enjoyed it very much. Na mayati pasyaran. And dito'y panagyan dito kat medyo mayat nga experience. Goodbye Stephenfield Park. Mayat dito mayat experience mi mat nga nagyan dito 2 nights 2 days. Mayat trekking nagpipintas dagiti trails nga napanan mi kaya talagang maingganyo ka nga ko magbag na the views, the weather, santo dagiti staff ti ko yort nga nagyanan mi mayat mat friendly da piman at kawakaway dati ima talagang naragsak damat nga mamang pati bisita da amenities mayat mat piman nyapay dagiti parks pintas talaga naglalawa amin nga bakat mayat-mat ito ka nga simentado dati kalsada ng gravel nga fine nga gravel so kas lang asfalto mut lang story ito ko ito beauty ko the surroundings dati nga ko talagang verdant green forest talagang umayat na iti kwada dito iti diversity iti ka si kayo kan damat dagiti po wild animals dito talagang tao dito yung handang lang gasan ti animal dito dapat ti ugsa kano nga nakita niya ko ay rabi nga pang kami di yung turugan mi nga timaray di ugsa may isang alugan yung nag-stop ta giveaway ladies first kunada di office nga sa ti pangalaan ti kwa permit ipakitam dagiyay permit mo nga allowed ka nga sumurok dito nga kwa nga park ni medyo pitak pasit ni dati ito kasta na DJ loader grader i-grader na ta napigsa ti todo di rabi atras basit dati ti pa vegetation na dito nagpintas tapos pinang pa ay kayo dito dito may aglinis kani napitak ti dalan sige abante